Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The links will be in the description. Now we're going to start with the first topic from Unit 8, placement of direct and indirect objects. And I would like to begin by defining what a direct object is and what an indirect object is. So first, a direct object is the person or thing that directly receives the action or effect of the verb. It answers the question what or whom. For example, he bought an umbrella. Here, my verb is bought, so my direct object is umbrella. We know this because it answers the question, what did he buy? Well, an umbrella. Now, an indirect object. It answers the question, for what, of what, to what, for whom, of whom, or to whom, and accompanies a direct object. For example, the manager left the employees a memo. Here we can ask, to whom did the manager leave a memo? Well, for the employees. So the employees is my indirect object. Now, for most verbs in English, including the verb get, give, lend, offer, sell, send, show, teach, and tell, direct and indirect objects follow these patterns. And we're going to start with pattern A, which is direct object plus the prepositions to or for plus indirect objects. For example, number 1, you can send information to other shoppers. Here we can ask, what can we do? And what are you sending? And to whom are you sending it to? By answering these questions, we can tell which one is which. What is my verb, my direct object, and my indirect object? Can you give it a try? I will see your answers in the comment section. Now, we can also simplify all of this, provide the same message but by using personal pronouns and object pronouns. For example, number 2, you can send information to them. Number 3, you can send it to other shoppers. Number 4, you can send it to them. Now we turn to pattern B, which is indirect object plus direct object. Basically the same as pattern A, but backwards and without the prepositions. For example, number 1, you can send other shoppers information. Number 2, you can send them information. Now with verbs such as announce, describe, explain, mention, provide, recommend, return, and say. The indirect object cannot precede the direct object, so sentences must follow pattern A. For example, number 1, it provides information about in-store sales to bargain hunters free of charge. Number 2, it provides it to them free of charge. Now, with verbs such as allow, ask, cause, and cost, the indirect object precedes the direct object and makes no preposition, so sentences must follow pattern B. For example, number 1, it only cost Rick $2. Number 2, it only cost him $2. Now, the following verbs are commonly used with both a direct and indirect object. Verbs like bring, hand, order, pay, serve, give, make, owe, promise, and throw. When the direct object is a pronoun, it goes before the indirect object. And when the indirect object is a pronoun, it can go either before or after the indirect object. For example, number 1, the boss owes it to Sam. Number 2, the boss owes him a month's salary. Number 3, the boss owes a month's salary to him. And to conclude, when both objects are pronouns, only pattern A is possible, which is direct object plus the preposition to or for plus indirect object. For example, The boss owes it to him. Number 2, the boss ordered it for him. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.